Addition using number strip. Look at the number strip. How many numbers are written there? Yes, from 1 to 20. Addition by counting on. There are 4 birds in a cage. If 3 more added, how many birds are there in the cage altogether? Count on 3 jumps from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 birds altogether. Using the number strip, fill in the boxes. 8 plus 5 is equals to how much? Now, how are you going to go about it? Look at the bigger number. 8 is the bigger number. So, keep the bigger number in mind and start counting on, yes, till 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, here comes 13. Similarly, the next question, 9 plus 8. Which is the bigger number? 9. Yes. Now from 9 you count on 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's correct. In the next sum, you are going to try it yourself. 12 plus 4. The bigger number is 12. So, how many numbers you have to count on? 4. 12. Yes, that's correct. It is 16. Now, 6 plus 12. Look at the bigger number. 12 is the bigger number. So, how many numbers are you going to count on? 6. Yes, try counting on your fingers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Brilliant. Now the next 2 sums you are going to do on your own, and I am pretty sure you will do them correctly. Look at the kites here. How many kites are here? Red and green? 3. What is the symbol in between? Plus. How many kites are here? How many kites you are supposed to add? 4. 3 plus 4. Keep the bigger number in mind and count on. Yes, that is 7. I'm going to do the first one with you from exercise 2A, and the rest I'm sure you can try on your own. Dash plus 3 is equals to 6. Now this is a bit tricky. Start counting from 3 onwards and just stretch your hand, look at your fingers. From 3 count till 6. After 3 it comes 4, 5, 6. How many digits? Yes, 3 digits on your finger. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's try another. 2 plus dash is equals to 5. You can use the number strip here also. Put your pencil on 2 and count on till 3. 2, take 1 jump and you land on 3. So that means you have just moved on 1 number. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Let's try another one. Dash plus 2 is equals to 3. How many numbers are you going to add to 2 to make it 3? 1, exactly. Now I'm sure you can try on your own. Then comes vertical addition. This addition which we did in exercise 2A, that was the horizontal one, the linear one. Now let's do the vertical one. One number sits on another number. 8 plus 4. You draw 8 circles, draw 4 more circles, count them all together. This comes 12. Yes, this comes to 12. You can try it the other way also. Keep the bigger number in mind and count on, yes, 4 numbers. Exactly. Now let's try one sum together and the rest you can do on your own. So I'm going to do the fifth one with you. 9 plus 7. Keep the bigger number in mind. Yes. And start counting on 7 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. Here comes 16. Addition story problems, page 76. A zoo has black deer. How many black deer? 7 black deer and 5 brown deer. How many deer are there in all together? Yes, 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Ali and Sabah bought 12 purple lilies and 2 white daisies. How many flowers did they buy altogether? 12 purple lilies and 2 white daisies. Yes, 12, 13, 14. Make a sum here, write 12, then put the symbol of addition, that is plus 2 is equals to 14. Exactly, this is how you are going to do the rest of the 2 questions. Subtraction. Now, what is meant by the word subtraction? How many less? Sabah has 9 candies. Raza has 5 candies. How many less candies Raza has? Now, Sabah has how many candies? You can count Sabah's candies, and Raza has 5 candies. How many less candies Raza has? 9 candies, 5 candies. Yes. From 9 you subtract 5. You take away 5. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Start crossing out from the 9 candies of Sabah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies are left. That means Raza has 4 less candies than Sabah. Subtraction means to take away or remove a number from the given number, and its symbol is like a dash. Yes, this is the symbol of subtraction. Now move on to page 78. There are 8 apples in the basket. Saima takes away 3 apples. How many apples are left? Yes. Make 8 apples. Count. There are 8 apples in the basket. Subtract or take away 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are left. Zara had 9 toffees. She gave 7 to Sidra. How many toffees are left with Zara? Yes, Zara has 9. Now, how many are you going to take away from Zara's? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 2. Exactly. Subtraction of 1-digit number from 1-digit number. Sabah baked 9 cookies. She ate 4 of them. How many cookies are left? Find the difference between 9 and 4. She baked 9 cookies. She ate 4. That means 4 are taken away. Yes, 5 are left. Now try this. Suppose you have 7 candies. You ate 1 out of it. Make 7 candies. Cross out 1. How many are left? Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 candies. 8 minus 4. How many candies? 8. Take away 4. Give it to your brother. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you are left with 4 candies. This is how you are going to do these sums. Subtraction of one-digit number from two-digit numbers. Now, previously we subtracted one number from one number. From one digit, we subtracted one digit from one digit. Now we are going to subtract one digit from two-digit numbers. Alia has 19 storybooks. She gave 5 books to her friend. How many books are left with Alia? Now write ones and tens at the top. Yes, 9 comes under ones, 1 comes under tens, 5, yes, this is ones, right under 9, and there is no 10 here, so you just put 0 here. Subtract ones from ones. 9 minus 5. Yes, start subtracting. The best thing is keep the smaller number in mind, count on to 9, and then you see how many numbers you have counted on. Yes, 5 is the bigger number. Now let's start counting on 6, 7, 8, 9. You have counted on 4 numbers. So here you put 4. 1, you don't have to subtract anything out of 1, so it remains the same. How many books? 14 books are left with Alia. There are 18 cows in a farm. 4 of them were sold. How many cows are left? Subtract 4 from 18. 18 is equals to 1 10 and 8 ones. Yes, in 4, 0 tens and 4 ones. Step 1 is you subtract ones from ones. Yes, you have to subtract 4 from the bigger number. 8 minus 4 is 4. Right under ones. 1 minus 0, that comes 1. So write it under tens. Right? The difference between 18 and 4 is 14. So there are 14 cows left in a farm. Subtraction of tens from two-digit numbers. There are 64 candies in a jar. Hassan took 10 of them. How many candies are left in the jar? Subtract 10 from 64. Again, just split them into ones and tens. 64 is equals to 4 ones and 6 tens. 10 is equals to 1 10 and 0 ones. Write 64, then 10 under ones and tens. Subtract 4. Subtract 0 from 4. You are left with 4. Subtract 1 from 6. You are left with 5. So what is the answer? 54. Exactly. The difference between 64 and 10 is 54. Subtract two-digit numbers from two-digit number. There were 32 trees in a garden. 12 of those were cut down. How many trees are left? What is the first step? Write 32 and 12. Now split them into ones and tens. Exactly. How many ones? 2 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. Now in 12, how many ones? Yes, 2 ones. How many tens? 1 10. Yes, 32 minus 12. Now which number are you going to subtract first? You always begin with ones from the right side. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Yes, when you subtract 2 from 2, you get 0. Next, subtract 1 from 3. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Exactly. Now, if you subtract 12 from 32, what do you get? 20. The difference between 32 and 12 is 20. Try the next sums on your own. Observe and fill in the boxes. Just see how many strawberries are here. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 strawberries all together. Write here 12. Then in the next box, how many strawberries are crossed out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left. You write 7 in this box. So if we read this statement, we say that the difference between 12 and 5 is 7. We had 12 strawberries altogether, eaten away or given away 5. We are left with 7 strawberries. Now look at the next sum. Start counting the footballs you can see here. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In which box are you going to write the total number of footballs? In the first box, yes. What do you write here? 16. Then there is a symbol of minus. How many are being crossed out here? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are you going to write 4? In the second box. 16 minus 4. Now you just count the remaining balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 minus 4 is equals to, yes, you are going to write 12 in the third box. This is how you are going to do the rest of the questions. Now start solving these questions all by yourself. Thumbs up for your effort.